I don't know if this is what you would call the Menekaunee slough, but at one time this channel was connected, and this was all one piece of land, as you can probably tell from the tree roots knocked over. But I would say in the last few years the lake has been at least 3 feet higher than it is right here right now. It used to be at the end here was a bird sanctuary. There was signs and a fence, so I don't know if that's farther up. But about 10 years ago I would walk my dog up here along the beach up till the fence. But clearly, you know, there's been people up here, so I don't know. You can paddle into Green Bay, but I don't think I could get the whaler through. There's a even shallower spot on the other side, or rather behind us. There's Green Island right there. Turned out to be a really nice day. The bay was super calm when I drove out here earlier. It was almost like glass. So. And there we've got a tug pushing a barge with some stuff on it. I would imagine they're either headed for Menekaunee or Escanaba, since they took the channel between Green Island and the shore. But anyway, I guess we will start back. Oh, see that seagull just splashed down? I wonder if he got anything. Yeah, I don't see anything in his talons. I bet there's a lot of birds in here though. So that's looking back down the slough to the north, to where the boat landing is. Pelicans, seagulls, ducks. I've not seen any geese so far. I've not seen any minnows or fish either. There we just jumped a crane. Saw a school of minnows that looked like they were perch. And I've seen a couple tiny fish jump. But I'm guessing there's a lot of birds feeding on them in here. There's some deep spots in here, I'll bet, that are 5 or 6 feet deep though.